Hello everyone, I will show you how to use Calendly tutorial. First of all, Calendly is appointment scheduler, which is you can create online booking meetings one-to-one, or you can create group meetings and events and much more. And you can organize and managing online booking meetings and more. First of all, open it, and after you open it, from here you need to tap on sign up with Google or sign up with Microsoft. I will click on sign up with Google, which is very easy to sign up. And after that, choose your account you want to sign up. I already have account, and after that you can create it easily. For example, I will choose this account, and after that tap on continue, and after that tap on allow, and after that will show up to you like this, which is I already have this account, but the same process you can create your account easily. And after that, what you need to do is, and after that will show up to you the home page of Calendly, and we have events types and schedule events. And first of all, I will show you the profile settings. Click on your profile on the right top corner, and click on profile, and after that from here you need to change your profile picture and change your name, set up new name, and your welcome message, set up instructions or anything you give, any message you would like, and the language and the date and the country and the time zone. And after that tap on save changes, and after that tap on the branding on the second option, and will show up to your logo. You need to upload a logo if you have logo for your brand, and after that tap on save changes and tap on my link on the third option. Click on it, and we have calendly.com, and your link, your name, your username, you can change it, which is the link that people will click on. And after that tap on login preferences, and we show to you your email that you connect to your account, and you can link, and you can change him, and you can switch to Microsoft login. And we have cookie settings. Tap on confirm my choices if you want to enable them from here. And we have calendar sync, which is if you want to connect your Google Calendar to Calendly, just tap on add calendar account. I already connected, as you see, but I will show you how to do it. Just tap on add calendar account, and after that you will show up to you your Gmail. Just click on it. I already connected, that's why this is showing up to me. And after you complete this step, tap on help from here, help, and you can chat with us if you have any questions or if you have a problem and you search for solutions. And we have log out if you want to log out, and we have invite users from here on the right top corner almost. Tap on invite users if you want to invite any user you would like. Just enter his email and separate it by comma if you want to multiple invitations to multiple emails at once. And after that tap on send invite, click back, and after that click on back to home. And after you complete all these steps I just tell you, now what you need to do is we have these sections, and I will tell you what this section is about. First of all, we have event types, which is you can create new events and meetings. I will show you after I explain the others. And after that we have scheduled events, which is the events you created will show up to you here. upcoming events will show up here. And after that we have contacts. If you want to add any contact, if you want to add any person, just tap on a new contact, and from here insert his name and his email and time zone and his phone number, and after that tap on save contact. And after you do that, you can book meeting with him or do whatever you would like. And after that we have workflows. Click on it, and from here, in order to use this, you need to upgrade it now, which is you can from here he said upgrade your subscription in order to use it, and you can automate your event notifications and reminders with workflows, which is if you scroll down you can add email reminder to invitee and email reminder to host, and you can send thank you email. This is how you can use it workflows. And we have routing. Click on it, and from here, in order to use it, this option, I think you need to upgrade it, which is C. Yes, you need to upgrade it to Teams. And what does this mean? This is mean gather information from website visitors and direct them to a specific booking page based on their responses, which is you need to create or import a form to set up questions, and after that the second step you need to set up a logic to send invitee to a booking page and more. And after that scroll down and tap on availability, click on it, and from here you can set up your times you are available in and you are ready to have meeting. For example, we have this time from 9 a.m. to this time, which is on Sunday, and you can add another time from here if you would like, and you can delete it as well, and you can copy from here. You can, for example, you can copy the time to all others the same time, which is just tap on copy this icon and apply it to all of them, and after that tap on apply, and all of them will be the same time, which is from this time to this time, as you see all of them. And from here you can disable it in available. If you have a break, for example, I have a break on Sunday, I don't want to work or have any meetings, and after that do whatever from here you would like or change whatever you would like. And if you want calendar view from here as well, if you want it in this view or in this view, and list view, and this better I think. And from here if you want to add date specific hours, click on it, and you can add from here easily. And after that click on integrations and apps, and this option what allows you to do is you can connect your Calendly to Google Meeting or Google Calendar or MailChimp or to PayPal to collect payment before the meeting, or to the Stripe to collect payment before the meeting, or to Zoom, or to WordPress or Slack or Discord or whatever. You can connect them together and you can communicate between them, and this is very beneficial, to be honest with you. And after that we have admin center. Click on it, on this option, and from here he said invite teammates, and from here you can unlock admin feature by adding your team, which is tab on invite teammates. And from here he said in order to invite multiple people, multiple emails, you need to separate each email address with a comma, which is I will show you how. For example, I will insert the first email really quick, and after I insert him, I will click on comma and we show it to you like this, and after that I will insert the second one, which is the same process, and after that I will tap on comma from your keyboard, and after that tap on next, and from here you can set a role for him, but first of all you need to upgrade it to standard to a premium in order to have this feature. And after that click back, tap on back to home, and if I scroll down we have the last option, which is help. Click on it, and from here you can chat with them if you have questions or whatever you would like. And I will explain the most important section, which is events types. Click on event types, the first section, event types, and from here I already scheduled event. I will delete it real quick. Now what you need to do is you need to tap on create from here, and after you click on create we show up to you three different types of events. The first one, which is event type, he said create a new template for your regularly scheduled events. The second one, he said one-off meeting, which is you can invite someone to pick a time to meet with you, which is the person your client will pick time to have meeting with you, not you picking the time. He will pick the time. And after that we have the last one, which is meeting ball, which is this is mean schedule a group meeting after offering times to vote, which is all the group will vote for specific time to meet together. I will tap on the first one, which is event type, and inside it will show up to me double options, which is four options as you see. The first one, he said one-on-one, if you want one host with one invitee, which is this is good for coffee chats, interviews, etc. And we have the second one, a group, which is one host with a group of invitees. This is good for webinars and online classes, etc. And we have the third one, which is collective, which is more than one host with one invitee. This is good for panel interviews and the group sales calls, etc. And we have the last one, which is round robin. This one rotating host with one invitee, and this is good for disturbing incoming sales leads. I will choose the first one, which is one-on-one. Click on it. You can choose whatever fit you. And after that, from here, name your event. I will name it real quick. And from here, the duration of the event will be 13 minutes or any duration you can use. And from here, the location. You can use Zoom or phone call or in-person meeting or all options from here. You can choose any option you would like. I will choose in-person meeting. I will insert my my location really quick, and after that tap on update, and after that tap on continue. And from here he said your event type is ready, and from here you can select date and time. As you see, you can select certain time you already set up for them, and from here, as you see, we have these days which is available to schedule meeting with you. As we set the availability, which is I will show you how. For example, we schedule these times you are available and you are ready to receive any meeting, and these days only, which is how to do it, how you set up these times. And if you want to change these times, you can change them from here. Just tap on done, and after that tap on availability. As we explained before, tap on availability, and from here you can change them. As you see, after you change these days, will show up to you right here, which is in event types. Click on it, click on settings, tap on edit, and after that will show up to you like this, as we set before. And from here tap on done, and from here you can copy the link, and after you copy the link you can share it with any person you would like, anyone. And if I search on it, will show up to me my link and my username, and after that the client will choose any time, any date to meet with you. For example, this day, and I will choose 9 a.m. and tap on next, and after that he will insert his name and his email, and from here a message. He will share anything with you if he want, and after that he will tap on schedule meeting, and you can do this for him as well. You can insert his email and his name if you would like, if you want to schedule time for him. And basically that's it. This is how you do it, and that's it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you out, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.